Welcome back. Today we have another episode of Milwaukee Chainsaw Versus. Today the opponent are Overhanging Willows. We have these willow trees like you can see behind me that are hanging over the driveway. We like them a lot because they provide a lot of shade and it looks like a cool canopy as you drive in to our property. But a few of them are too low and we can't get a dump truck underneath them without hitting them. So today we're going to take them out. We dropped all the trees, cleared them off the driveway, and we maintained the look of having some of the overhanging willows. So it's kind of that covered canopy as you're coming down the driveway, but plenty of room for the dump truck now so we can get on to the other projects. One thing that made a huge difference today is I've recently upgraded from the normal 5 amp hour batteries to 9 amp hour in the chainsaw. It keeps on cutting. That's something I would recommend doing if you are in the market for the Milwaukee electric chainsaw. Those willows were no match for my Milwaukee. Follow along to see our next video.